So moving on further with the topics, that is the next important topic is DOM manipulation. So DOM basically stands for Document Object Model. It is a standard set forth by the W3C, that is World Wide Web Consortium, that provides JavaScript applications with a standard way to access all the elements of the document. So if we want to simply understand what it is, for example, when we open a web page in a browser, the browser doesn't just show the page, it also stores the page's structure in the memory in a way that JavaScript can understand. This structure is nothing but the DOM, that is document object model. Think of it like this, where your HTML page is like a family tree, and inside it you have elements like HTML, body, head, etc. And inside body you also have the image tag, and the paragraph tag, and the heading tag, etc., and so on. Each one of these is treated as an object by the browser, and with the DOM the JavaScript can do the following things, that is it can find any element the page, like a paragraph, button, or an image. And secondly, it can change its content, like it can change its style or even remove it. And thirdly, it can add new elements dynamically. So these are the things that we can achieve from using the document object model in JavaScript. For example, if you want to change the text of the heading, then you can use the getElementById thing. And if you want to hide a button when clicked, you can change its style. And if you want to add a new paragraph, you can create and insert it using the DOM methods. So that is it about the introduction of DOM. And so in one line, the DOM is like a live map of your web page that JavaScript can use to read and change anything inside it. So yeah, and let's talk about the getElementById method. ElementById method returns an HTML element with a specified value. That the getElementId method is one of the most common method in the HTML DOM, and it is used almost every time we want to read the HTML element. So the syntax is document.get. So this is the basic syntax of get element by id. So it is, let's take a simple HTML code and manipulate the elements, where let's give us the title as my website. And in this code, first create the p tag with some text in it. Now on the web page it will be displayed some text in it, say this is JavaScript, and we're gonna save it. So now to change the text inside this paragraph element using JavaScript, we need to select this element. For that, include a unique ID for that p tag. So write ID equal to demo. Within the script tag should be inside the body itself. So within the script tag, write let pg equal to document dot get element by id. So yeah, and then inside the brackets give demo. So this selects the HTML element with the ID demo. To modify this, use the inner HTML property. Simply in order to modify this, use the inner HTML property, that is this is HTML. We are just trying to modify this thing to this is HTML. This is JavaScript to this is HTML. So yeah, and don't forget the semicolons. So when this line of JavaScript code is executed in the HTML document, then it finds the element with the ID demo, and which is the P element, and it replaces its existing content with this is HTML. So and as a result, the text this is HTML will be displayed on the web page. So this is the basic for selecting and manipulating HTML elements using JavaScript.